Welcome to the part two of me making website just using AI as a complete beginner. So here's how the last website which I made using AI and Replit turned out. So as you can see, there were some problems with the buttons not working and some backends which were loose. So today we're gonna see and look into that deeply, and we're gonna put that on Replit as a plain sentence to fix them. So we go to Replit, we go to the dashboard, and we see that the test button was not working when we tried to add the leads. It wasn't working properly. We can see that there was a problem with the bell icon, the notifications. So we see these integrations are still coming soon, so we'll just wait for that for now. And so we'll go ahead and try adding lead once again. So we do this test lead, and then we're gonna put a email, um, sartest@gmail.com, and then we're gonna put any random number. Here we go. Okay, so this is gonna be Facebook and then general. So when we try to add this is what it gives. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this, and then we're gonna see if that is all that we need to be, uh, fix through Replit. So we go back on Replit, and then we open it. We open the app website which we made yesterday, and we're gonna paste it here, whatever the issue it was giving us when we click add lead. So here we go. We have pasted it. Now we're going to type that this is something. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, this was the error message, and once we put in this is what pops up when trying to add a new lead. Okay, and then we just need to click enter, and then now Replit will do the task for us, and it will try to see what's the problem here. So yesterday when I was going through this one, I saw that we need to add some information about the test client as well. So once I saw that, it came into my mind like, why not? I should try it. So let me just go ahead and try to add. Okay, so let me just try to add this clinic name as a test clinic name. So test clinic one with a let's say a fake website here, testclinic1 .com, and then just a random phone number. Okay, here we go, and then any random address here. Okay, if we've done that, so okay, the address is here. We're just gonna put the same thing, Monday to Friday. Let's do 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, here we go. And then this is a knowledge base, so we're just going to write it down just for the AI to train itself. So we can just write we are a family friendly clinic. Here we go. And we can write the same things, the general regular checkup. I'm going to charge $150 for that. And then for a root canal, that's around $450 maybe. Oh yeah, the 450. And then no common FAQs, and we're just gonna save changes. Oh, it says enter URL, it's already there. mm, Let me try again. No. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna delete it for now, and we'll try it again. Save changes. Oh, okay, it's done. And now we see the services. We're gonna add all of them, so we're providing all the services as a test client. There we go, and then save services. And let me just take a look at these AI settings. Everything looks fine. The billing's okay. And then we're just gonna save all of this, and then now we're gonna try and add a lead. Let's see if it works. So let's do a test, and then any random number, and then Facebook, teeth whitening ad. Oh, there we go. It's added as a new lead now. Wow. Oh, it's here as well. Okay, okay, I see it. So once we add the integrations, the AI settings will also work. But for now, we this is a success. We see the new lead added. All right. So as a clinic, you can actually add notes, which is a really good, um, you know, option. Okay, we added a note. Where is it? I think it's still taking some time to load. We can send messages. For now, AI is currently handling this conversation. All right. So what AI will do? Oh, we see the note here. Okay, cool then. All right, it's working well. So I think AI will be messaging that phone, which so for now the phone number is fake, so it shouldn't be working. But okay, I see all the analytics and everything is now um, updated. The notification sign is still not working. So now we're gonna go ahead and ask Replit to look into the. Okay, so this is done. See, it also says that once you complete onboarding and create your clinic, adding leads will be easy. Okay, now we're gonna add this. Also, the notification not working. The bell sign says something, but does not open. Okay, let's see what Replit has for this one. Okay, so everything looks good. As we can see here, Replit is working on the bell icon now. Before that, it has already worked on the previous one. So now, as the leads is done, we're gonna test it. Okay, so it's not gonna work for now, I think, because Replit works when once this is all republished. So let's try sending a message here. No, it's not sending right now because it's AI. So this is not gonna work. The icon is still not there. Everything else looks okay. I tried refreshing it. Okay, right. Okay, so it's still working on the notification bell. It's taking a little longer. Till then, we're going to republish it because then only the changes which we are making right now will actually be on the real website. Okay, so this is all good. So all of this is what Replit is doing right now. Like none of this was done by actual coding, just simple sentences. As you can see here, plain English. So for now, Replit is working on the bell icon. Okay, so it has been working in the background for a little while now. Till then, let's just is published. We're gonna try on ChatGPT. All right. So now, as you can see, the notification is working good. It says one recent. We see the lead there. Okay. Oh, we sent hello, which is not there yet because it was, yeah, obviously it was a fake number. So that this was a manual thing. All right. So I see all of these things are working well. And once this is done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to ChatGPT, and then we're gonna ask it to create the first 50 dental clinic prospect list and prepare the exact outreach and all that stuff for us, so that we can actually convert this into a real working business for us to generate real income. And okay, so it's searching for the clinics. All right, so we can see that it's all up and published. And so this was it. We'll just go ahead and look for ChatGPT's answer. And once it comes in, we'll take forward from there. Till then, thank you so much and subscribe for the other videos. I will be trying AI, all the AI apps and websites which you want me to try, and uncover the truth behind actually making money from zero capital using just AI as a beginner. Thank you, and see you in the next one.